Hey guys, welcome to my channel Data Analytics with Divya. I'm Divya. I'm a data analyst and I also work as an online instructor for data analytics for few institutions in Hyderabad. So I thought, why don't I share my knowledge with you through a YouTube channel? Because we know data science and data analytics is having huge demand in the market right now. And many IT professionals, freshers, and even non IT graduates are looking forward to learn and start their career in data science. I possess knowledge of data science and I have experience in teaching SQL, Tableau, Python, Power BI, statistics, and machine learning concepts. At present, I will start uploading SQL and Tableau videos, and eventually, I will upload remaining subjects as well. And I will explain each and every concept from scratch by using real-time databases and projects so that even a non-IT candidate can able to understand the subject easily. So stay tuned to my channel, and for more videos please subscribe. Thank you.